Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be talking about a simple makeup hack with just one product that can change and elevate your face appearance. We all have sleepless nights and looking fresh the next morning isn't an easy job. But with the easy life-changing hack, you can brighten up your face and eyes both. So today I'll be talking about the importance of mascara and how investing in a good one can be a total game changer. Just whip some good mascara on your lashes and girl, you are all set ready. I've been acting since the age of 9 and I can tell you what a good mascara does. My current favorite mascara is the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. I have more than one reason to like it. Number one being, it's used by almost all the international influencers I follow on YouTube. And you know, the thing I love about L'Oreal Paris is that it's available throughout the world. You can get your hands on the latest trends in the world in your mother country. Second being the wavy bristles on the brush. Trust me, when I say I have been using this mascara for a very long time. In fact, more than eyeliner, I have used mascara to open my eyes. My eyelid shape is hooded, and days when I haven't slept properly, the puffiness rises to another level, making my eyes almost invisible. But L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara is a wonder product for my eyes. 1 to 2 strokes with the wavy bristles and you have the perfect coverage to your lashes. Whoa! See, you can see the visible difference in both the eyes. The wavy shape that you see of the bristles is the reason for the dramatic difference between both the eyes. The wavy fibers hold more formula than a straight bristle, which is why in just one swipe you can see the difference. The wavy bristle also catches each lash and coats it with the formula to give you long lashes in just one coat. They gently embrace every eyelash, creating a black film more even. The wavy fibers are more dense. They lightly catch every lash, allowing an efficient lightening effect. And the hourglass shape of the applicator is best to add volume to lashes. Now I'm gonna apply on both my eyes for the perfect dramatic look. See how smoothly it glides on my eyelash. This is because of the creamy balmy formula that is used in L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. Quick fact, this small wonder applicator has more than 200 bristles. Can you believe it? The usual ones that you find in the market only have about 100 bristles or less. The wavy fibers on this applicator are soft and flexible. I'm done! Look how this small pocket-sized product can make a huge difference to your look. It instantly brightens your face. Apart from the amazing bristles, this product is perfect buy for you. L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise is made with oils with hair growth properties like castor oil, rose oil, cornflower oil extract. And also, Lash Paradise in particular has waterproof, smooth, glide, balmy formula. This is your foolproof mascara. It gives you full lash fringes with a feathery, soft feel and fanned out effect to give you a perfect look in a jiffy. So now I'm off for a busy bustling day. I have a couple of shoots lined up. So I'm gonna show you how my mascara is gonna be still intact after 6-7 hours. Oh my god, the heat in Mumbai, it's never ending. But look at my lashes. Still strong, right? Full intact and lashes still look fluttery and smudge free. No flaking or drying. This lasts all day and is completely waterproof. Look at the luxurious pink packaging and the hourglass brush shape. It's an affordable purchase in the market and best for adding volume to your lashes. Like always, my most trusted brand L'Oreal Paris brings you a cost-effective mascara at just $7.99. You should definitely try this one. Click on the link in description box below to avail this product right now. For more such makeup hacks, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys, see you.